we have launched in August face masks. Designer face masks are coming soon. We launched the Enviro chip in August, which was the Azadi Enviro chip. We launched the Fruit of the Earth hydrating mist in 3 different fragrances. This September, the turban mask of extra comfort is coming to your doorstep. We're launching bigger packs of Lal Mirch, Haldi and Dhania powder. We're launching Fruit of the Earth, Blooms of Eden, hydrating mist. We're launching orange and guava candy. We're launching a multi-surface disinfectant spray that can kill germs instantly. You can use it in any surface, you can car, office, handbag, travel, and leaves the surface refreshed, kills 99.99% germs and bacteria, eliminates odor, and there is no need to wipe. Like I shared earlier, 3 types of designer masks are coming. October, strawberry and mango lollipops. We have candies of fruit chaat and masala soda coming in October. There's a great demand of our oils. And therefore, in 5-liter packs in October, we will have mustard oil and we will have your favorite rice bran oil. We're launching the new rose range in October with rose cream, rose scrub, rose mask. There are deos in there's perfume and 4 fragrances coming for women and men in October. There's a new variant of soaps which has antibacterial, sandal, aloe vera, neem, and tulsi, lime, and orange fragrances coming soon in October. There's a new toothpaste with deep cleansing and herbal Ayurvedic fresh moment coming with natural 15 herbs. The tulsi drops coming in October. The fruit and vegetable wash, which effectively washes and removes 99.99% germs and bacteria and fungus and washes away pesticides and waxes and chemicals, leaving no residue, smell or taste. The shampoo sachets coming from Salon and Fruit of the Earth. There is Salon Amla hair oil and Salon Navratan hair oil, which is called Champi oil, coming to your doorstep. There is Chyawanprash, which has been well tested and has 40 Ayurvedic herbs that aid in boosting immunity and protecting the body from infections, coming to your doorstep on October. There's a new variant of CDCT coming in October. There's new Intellecte with Pinogenol, which is an upgraded version of Intellecte coming. There's krill oil and sea buckthorn oil. And I know that you all have been waiting for Intellecte. Now, fasten your seatbelt. This November, this Intellecte has even gotten better. We got ashwagandha, brahmi, tulsi and curcumin coming in. We got noni, amla, aloe vera and brand IQ Plus coming in. We also thought to bring in combination masalas for you, and therefore chaat masala, hing, sambar masala, pav bhaji masala and chole masala are coming to your doorstep in November. There are refill pouches for your 3 variants of your favorite products of soft wash coming in, of contraceptives coming in dotted, classic and extra time in December. So all in all, there are many products coming in. There are many new products coming in, and we thought to add into this entire thing also, there are new variants of the new variant of Urban Decay, compact variant of Urban Decay coming in. There's a new variant of hand sanitizer coming in 500 ml, 250 ml, and a pocket version in 50 ml coming in, 60 ml coming in. Your Germy Bust, which is a disinfectant spray, can work in it's been launched today, so please go into the center to pick it up. There's haldi powder, dhania, and lal mirch, 200 grams that got launched today. There is a extra comfort mask which has a velcro at the back so that it protects your turban coming in. So for all our friends in Punjab and Rajasthan area which wear turbans, there is a great opportunity to promote this. No other company right now has this turban mask, and we're the first ones, and I'm sure many others will follow us. So please book your orders. There is the Blooms of Eden spray launching today. For all of you who have been waiting for Salon, there's a new Salon oil coming in on the 25th. We've upgraded the product, we upgraded the packaging, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. New candy coming in. I truly love the candy. It's launching 25th of this month, so hang on to it. It is extremely delicious. I have tried it and I could not resist eating this. I finished the entire package, and so I want to just say that wait for it till the 25th and wait for the 25th and make sure that you book your orders. It is coming in orange and guava. So many new products are coming your way, and I'm hoping that you will all enjoy these products and the pricing that we bring in this product. Many people said to me that they wanted products that were economical, and these products coming to you are very economical. At the same time, there are programs coming in that will truly make your Diwali very, very special. I want to also take this opportunity for all of you who know the song number 19 to sing with me, and therefore I'm going to play it now. ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना हमें तुमसे प्यार मिला ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना हमें तुम these lines are for you especially. तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल, क्या पता दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हमें तुमसे प्यार ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हमें तुमसे प्यार. Next week, I'd like to say a very big thank you, namaste, shukriya to all of you for being here in this event, for promoting us, for building this business.
Thank you, Samirji.
I'd now like to hand over to Rijal to take the program forward.